What's Sunday? I don't know what the date is. 14th, maybe. Let's see. So it's the 16th. Braden's working on battery cables today, and we tried to do the air intake setup. Of course, everything we bought was wrong, so we ordered all new crap for it. So now we have a whole pile of stuff in the trunk that we can't use. We're using on something else. So right now, I've got the old gas pedal out, and we've got drilled one of the holes there and one up there, and I think the Corvette gas pedal will actually fit on those studs, and if it does, then we're gonna do all right. So I sized up the gas pedal and it fit good in that spot, so one-handed as usual. Let's see what we can do with that. Does it work or not? Let's see. Got the nuts here somewhere for this thing. There's one of them, there's two. Alright, let's see what we can do here. See if we can get either one of these to start. There we go. God damn it. This is about as fun as it looks one-handed. Yeah, look, the studs fell through. Yeah, you know how it is. Try later.